Introducing the newest member to the ActivePro family, our range of sport watches. Available in a green and black and blue and black variant, these will make for a great everyday watch that can withstand tough conditions. These are water resistant and include a fair amount of protective armour around the case to protect it from bumps and scrapes. Looking closer at the dial, we have a mixture of analogue hands with LCD screens. One thing I appreciate about this watch is the easy to read hands and hour markers. Some LumiBright on the hands also makes it easier to read in dark environments. A thick resin band with a double clasp keeps this sturdy piece on your wrist, and beware it is fairly large at about 55mm in diameter and about the same in lug to lug measurement. Height clocks in at 18mm. Since we have both digital and analog time, you'll probably need to change the time to get them synced up. The analog time is easy enough, just pull out the crown and rotate until the time is correct. Push it back in when you're done. To change the digital time and date, simply press the mode button 3 times. You'll see the seconds start flashing. Hit the button underneath the crown to switch to the next value and use the start button to change the time. Once you have set the correct time, set the date, which appears in the month date format. Finally, set the day arrow, and when you're all done, hit the mode button to finalize your changes. This watch includes a digital stopwatch, which is accessed with the press of the mode button and then a press of the start button to begin. Use this button under the crown to reset it. To set alarms on this, you can press the mode button twice. Then it's just like changing the time, where you use the start button to change the time and the button under the crown to switch to the next value. Hopefully that helps you get the most out of your ActivePro Sports watch. Be sure to click the link in the description to check it out online at watchdepot.com.au.